how to fix I can't post on Instagram's problem. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of I can't post on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. But first thing you should know, if there is two reasons why this has happened to you. The first one is you are following a lot of people in a short time, and this is like banded your account. The second thing is like you got a lot of people doesn't like your account and they like send reports to your account. What do you need to do is first thing go to your Instagram and go to click on those three lines, click on setting and click on help. Now click on report a problem and send feedback. Now all you need to do is like leave to Instagram team your feedback, and like if you can take a screenshot of your problem on Instagram, and this is gonna help like too much. The second thing is go to your setting and go to your apps, click on Instagram and clear cache, clear your Instagram's cache. This is not gonna even you're not gonna miss anything on your profile, Instagram profile. Click on clear data and clear your cache. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.